If you haven't watched the last part, please watch that first. Links in the description. So you're still wondering about the law of attraction, huh? Is it true? Is it not? And all those things? Let me tell you one thing. Our thoughts are made up of pure energy. For simplicity purpose, let's say our thoughts are magnets, and a magnet will attract another magnet, which means energy will attract energy. It is based on like attracts like principle. So which means pure energy will be attracted to either positive or negative energy. And this is where your thoughts play a role. If you keep thinking positive, even worse situations can be handled. If you go on the negative side, then congrats for fucking your life. People say there is no empirical scientific evidence supporting the law of attraction, and hence it's pseudoscience. But the funny part is, none of them has even tried applying it in their lives before saying so. Personally, I have seen miracles in my own life by using this law, and hence I believe that this is 100% science. It works, and it works like a charm. Stay tuned for the next one, in which I'll be sharing real life miraculous incidents of few people. See you guys around.